Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Orlando Valido, Oli Valido, or people that they call me here on YouTube. Tonight they're going to bring you another animal, another bird. Yeah, a bird that flies. But this one is a unique one that I want to show you. Let me put the first picture for you. Here's the first picture for this animal and the name of it. Fightless Comonrant. Fightless Comonrant. Or Comonrant, I would say. This is a unique creature that I found. Let me see. Let's read about it. The Fightless Comonrant habitat at the rocky shore of Volcano Island. Volcano Island, yes. The size of land is 2.91 to 3.29 feet, weighs 5.5 to 11 pounds. The diet is octopus squid, SQUID. Conservation status, vulnerable population stable. Found only in the Galapagos Galapagos Island, I don't know if that is in Central America. This one is one of the rarest bird species in the world, with around 1,000 left in the world, I think. And the Fightless Comonrant is an odd bird with black-brown feathers, brilliant turquoise hues. That would be TURQUOISE. Eyes and low growing bushes. Yeah, low growing bushes. They're stubby. Wing is about one slash three-sided need to fly, but the water they could give any sea lion around for this money. Yep. And they use the web feet to powerful legs to dive down the bottom of the ocean and search for fish, an eel, and octopus, and other small prey. So there you go, guys. Now let me try to find out if there any video about this rare bird that is from the Galapagos Island, Galapagos. If you can Google it, where the Galapagos Island is, that would be helpful too. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me. My name is Orlando Valido, Oli Valido, for people here on YouTube. Bye bye, God bless you guys.